On July 10th, a federal judge blocked President Trump's Birthright Citizenship executive order nationwide. It was just at the end of June that the U.S. Supreme Court issued its decision in the Birthright Citizenship case, undermining the ability of a federal judge to issue a nationwide injunction and leaving an uncertain future for the underlying issue of birthright citizenship itself. But there was a distinction in this case. The judge certified the challenge as a class action, which does allow for a nationwide injunction to limit executive authority. It was back on January 20th that President Trump issued an executive order barring automatic citizenship for any baby born in the United States if the baby's parents were undocumented or if they were here lawfully but on a temporary visa. The executive order was challenged by 22 states, advocacy organizations, and pregnant women, and 3 separate federal courts blocked the order from taking effect. The issue of nationwide injunction then went before the U.S. Supreme Court, where the court largely agreed a single federal judge cannot freeze policies across the country. But the court delayed the executive order from taking effect for at least 30 days, giving lower courts time to assess the appropriate scope of the injunction going forward and allowing time for district court judges to consider taking up class action suits to stop the executive order on either a statewide, regional, or national basis. And the ACLU brought such a challenge just hours after the Supreme Court issued its opinion. The case went before the U.S. District Judge for the District of New Hampshire. Class actions involve populations of similarly situated people, and certifying a class was a mechanism the U.S. Supreme Court identified as allowable for using nationwide injunctions. It's really the only remaining practical and efficient way that a district court judge could freeze the implementation of a policy nationwide. The judge in this case said his decision applied nationwide to babies who would have been subject to the executive order, and he issued a written order formalizing his ruling. He then stayed that order for 7 days, allowing time for an appeal. We will keep you posted. You can read the decision coming out of New Hampshire. We link to it in the description below.